Hi, at what stage is the development of smart contracts? How much has the launch of assets brought the implementation of smart contracts closer? So, development of smart contracts is very minimal. They have done some sort of uh, theoretical working plans in it. Let's not forget our developers are already very fluent in Apache Spark. They know how this is working, so they already created models on how this would work and done testing previously in this. But as I've said before, they are focusing on transaction decoupling because this is needed to be released first in order for the smart contract layer to actually work along on the top of it, because the chain works a lot differently when with transaction decoupling. So when you are issuing smart contracts on that, we need it to be able to talk to the chain in the way that it is familiar with. We don't want to have to start rewriting smart contracts once again if that was to be coming out before transaction decoupling. So yeah, it is at very early stages. Let's just see. Let's just get the release of transaction decoupling out first, which is the scaling solution. And then we can look at smart contracts. Uh,
There are a few
how,
more questions within that.
yeah. I'm getting to those. So, how much has the launch of assets brought implementation of smart contracts closer? Well, yeah, it's one stage closer. That's how much. Are there competitors at this stage of development who have implemented something similar? Well, you had Ravencoin who've got a similar sort of assets, but they've only got single layer assets. We've got dual layer assets. Um, so, so I don't think. I think that's the closest competitor. They haven't even coded smart contracts. Um, I think Hedera Hedera Hashgraph was doing some sort of contracting in Java. From when I was at the conference, I'm sure I saw that. But generally across the board, this is a brand new thing, and people have not done it in the multi-language environment that we're planning to do it in. So there are not really competitors uh, who've achieved what we are currently working on to build.